So the objective of this mini project for traffic light is to understand the working principle of relay, to understand the application of timer relay in control circuit, to achieve a simple ladder diagram for relay application develop, and also able to use logic simulator, which is PLC feeder, to stimulate relay circuit behavior. So for this project, it has a background. So the important part used for this project is relay, which is related to our study in practice lab 2. So what is relay? So relay is a mechanical switch with the ability to be controlled electronically through an electromagnet, as opposed to being manually turned on or turned off, and also reducing the requirement of high amperage wiring and switches, such as expensive and take-up spaces. And lastly, it also can work well at high temperature and isolate the activating part of the actuating part. So next, my friend will explain about the methodology of this project. So that's all from me.
For the PLC program, first we open PLC feeder and we initialize 3 relay because there are 3 conditions, which is TL1 turn green and TL2 turn red, TL1 and TL2 turn yellow, and the last condition is TL1 turn red and TL2 turn green. First, we put coil R1 in series with TL1. Next, T1Q is put in series with relay R2 and coil R2 is in series with T2. Next, T2Q is put in series with relay R3 and coil R3 is in series with T3. Next, we put relay R1 is in parallel with GTL1 and RTL2. Next, relay R2 is in parallel with YTL1 and YTL2. Last one is relay R3 is in parallel with RTL1 and GTL2. For the flowchart, first we check if the push button is pushed. If GTL1 and RTL2 will turn on for 60 seconds and off after that. Next, YTL1 and YTL2 will turn on for 60 seconds and off after that. After that, RTL1 and GTL2 will turn on for 60 seconds and off after that. Lastly, we check if the stop button is being pushed. If yes, the system will be cut off, and if no, system will be repeated.
For this mini project, we're gonna using our knowledge of the relay circuit to design a simple traffic light control. Before we undergo this mini project, we need to download PLC feeder. Firstly, when we press the push button, R1 will be triggered. Then green traffic light number 1 and red traffic light number 2 will be on. At the same time, T1 will be start to count for 60 seconds. For this situation occur, it is due to the current pass through the circuit. Next, for number 2, after a delay of 1 minute, T1Q will be triggered and R2 will be energized. R2 is from normally closed to normally open after the flowing of the currents pass through the currents. This causes the green traffic light number 1 and red traffic light number 2 will be turned off. When T1Q from normally open to normally closed, it will be allow the yellow traffic light number 1 and yellow traffic light number 2 light up. From that, T2 will be start to count for 60 seconds. For number 3, after delay of 1 minute, T3Q will be triggered and cut all the currents pass through to it. Then the currents will return back to the initial condition and repeat all the steps until press the stop button. For the conclusion, the purpose doing this experiment is about the working principle of relay and the application of timer relay in control circuit. Using our knowledge of relay circuit to design a simple traffic light control. Relay has many benefits. For example, it's capable of handling high voltage and current, electrical isolation, and enhanced safety by reducing the risk of electrical shock to the operator. Let me make some explanation for electrical isolation between the control circuit and the load. Relay will protect the control circuitry from potentially damaging conditions or high current surges present in the load. Moreover, relay has a wide range of applications in various industry and systems, such as telecommunication system and aerospace and defense and so on. From all of that, it shows that relay play an important role in our life. That's all from our presentation. Thank you.